Good morning, blessed saints of God, and happy walk with Jesus toward New Jerusalem today. One of the first and foremost things we must do to receive the Holy Spirit and every day is to pray for divine guidance, because what we think we should do is not what we should do many times. And God does not ask us to do in our own strength the work before us. He gives us the Holy Spirit to illuminate our minds. He will teach us how to labor, how to hunt for souls. We must be looking to our heavenly teacher for instruction. Do you believe God will teach us? Do you believe God will instruct us? I read to you now Acts 8:26-35. The angel of the Lord spake unto Philip, saying, Arise, go toward the south, unto the way that goeth down from Jerusalem. And he arose and went. Then the Spirit said unto Philip, Go near and join thyself to this chariot. And Philip ran thither to him. A burden was placed upon Philip. Direction was given him by an angel. Today, as then, angels of heaven are waiting to lead us to other fellow men to hear the word. An angel showed Philip where to find this man. And today, angels of God will guide and direct the footsteps of those workers who allow the Holy Spirit to sanctify and ennoble their hearts. We need to recognize the Holy Spirit as our enlightener. We cannot with safety follow our own guidance. We cannot lay out the way in which the Lord will work. He has His ways. At this time, men need to think under the inspiration of the Holy Spirit, and we need to pray more and talk less. Ellen White says, I wish I could make all understand this matter. There must be real earnestness and an inspiration from God to teach us how to win souls. We must pray for the inspiration of His Spirit. Pray earnestly for divine enlightenment. When the Church awakes to the sense of her holy calling, many more fervent and effective prayers will ascend to heaven for the Holy Spirit to point out the work and duty of God's people. Lord, open these doors for us so that we can continue your work. For example, show us how we should speak to the people, what we should be giving them, where we should go. The Lord will guide you. Blessed work in the vineyard, saints of God.
Far away in the depths of my spirit tonight rolls a melody sweeter than song. In celestial-like strains it unceasingly falls. Oh, my soul, like an infinite calm. Peace, peace, wonderful peace, coming down from the Father above. Sweep over my spirit forever, I pray, in fathomless billows of love. What a treasure I have in this wonderful peace, buried deep